Oh, oh. All right, guys, happy new year, and I'm very happy that this is my first time I'm kind of talking, like, come to YouTube to just say one or two things, and I'm very happy for that. So happy new year, guys. So let me go straight to what I want to talk about today. So I want to start to kind of take you guys along a process of creating a product that I'm interested in creating. So it is a very simple project. So the goal is for me to actually release an MVP, something that is very small that people can use. I've actually been talking to one or two people. I've asked my friends, people around, are they going to use this app? Is it possible for me to market it out or there? But my whole goal for this app I'm currently working on is just for me to see if people are going to like be using it. So let me just give you a small hint of what is going to be and what I've done so far in creating that product. So what exactly is this product I'm trying to build? Is a very simple app. So I kind of noticed when I did one hangout and I invited some of my friends after I finished school. And if you don't know that I finished school, I've graduated from OAU Obafemi University as a computer engineering student, which is something that I'm very grateful for in 2024. But this is a new year, so let's just leave that. So this app is just a very kind of reasonable app. So it is more of like event tracking and game related app. So the main thing is when we started the hangouts, I kind of noticed that people are very, the energy was there. When we got to a particular point where we are playing games and stuff like that, all these kind of cool games. So I kind of noticed that we have to go to App Store, go to Play Store to check for, okay, what kind of, we went to Play Store and App Store and we're kind of looking for which kind of game can we definitely play. We're looking for the next game that we're going to play on App Store or Play Store, and we really couldn't find a very great one, right? So what I want to do is just very simple. So the main goal is for someone to create an hangout. Is actually a section, right? Create an hangout or create an event, right? After creating an event, you can share the link to your friends that are going to come. So definitely, number one, you're going to know the number of people that are coming to that event, right? You'll be able to track. You might not even know the person because it's going to give you kind of anonymous link or name or whatsoever. So after the admin will actually send this link, or maybe through a form of link or maybe QR code. I don't know yet. So after sending it, people can join. So people that are invited can definitely join. And also you can also invite people that you think they are on the app by searching for their names and inviting them into the event. So it's just that simple, right? And I actually noticed that because people are asking me that why are people coming. I'm trying to avoid that. And the next thing is you definitely know the games that you can add. So you can add some games to that event. You can add like charades, you can add like question or throw or dare. I just want to do something that's very fun and something that's very simple. So at the first start, I'll just create maybe 2 games and then I'll keep on increasing the games. But the first thing I have to do is to create the design, right? So if you're not familiar about how mobile apps works and whatsoever, it actually starts from design. So design first. But you know that I'm a designer too, so I have design sense, and that's a plus on my side. So the interesting thing is I've actually started this design and it's very nice. So let us check the design and let's see what I've done so far. So let me quickly go there. My keyboard is dead, but I'm not giving up. So let me drop this here for now and I'm using my assistant. Alright, so I'm currently using a MacBook M3. Good thing about 2023, right? It's actually a gift from someone. Let's quickly check what do we have already. So in some minutes I will come back with explaining how the design works. Okay, so alright guys, welcome back. So the major thing I'm doing here is I've not really done a lot of pages, but quite alright. I've been able to set some little things. This is not how I will design for a normal day, right? But yeah, you can actually start from here. Okay, we can actually start from here. So I was trying to kind of have a kind of, okay, how this app is going to go. I kind of did the wireframe. I have the idea. I was like, just let me do the wireframe. So I did this just within some days, and I created a product requirement document, right? I use ChatGPT, by the way. You should definitely know that I use ChatGPT here. So it's actually gave me the kind of idea that I need, and I was quite okay with that. So then I kind of did a screenshot, right? A splash screen rather. I did a splash screen. I will kind of adjust most of them later, right, when I want to start. But the idea of this app is just as simple as this. So if you're not really familiar with Figma, just bear with me, right? It's a very fun thing. So I created the home page. I used my babe's name, sorry. But it's a very nice thing, right? Explore, find hangouts, mole, blah 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 blah. So you can definitely scroll through, and of course you can definitely see more. I don't want to click that because I don't think I've really done the prototype. But yeah, I only have two for now. I will remove this view more, but we just want to have just two for now, charades and any other game. So I don't really know the idea yet. I just want to quickly like just work on it. So if you go to view more, this is where the view more is. I will still work on the design, but at least I'll be able to get everything I need. So this is how it is going to work. This is basically how it's going to work, right? And then you can create a schedule, like you can create an event rather. From here, the name of the hands, you can invite people, you can choose the date, which kind of meeting is it going to be, what do you want to include game, yes or no, and a message. So I will still add one or two things to the creation of the event, right? So and then you can invite people. This is just kind of very simple thing. I just want to get everything done ASAP, right? So this is where the game is. Just click on the charades, can go back, can invite someone, right? Can invite someone to play. Then when you invite, you can actually go to the game alone without not creating an event, right? So that is the idea. So you can create the game instantly too. So it's not compulsory for you to create the event, right? So that's just what I have currently, and to be honest, I think is something that is nice. So far so good. So far so good. I only use some days for this, so you guys should bear with me. So you can click and you can see the design. I really like the design because it's quite simple, like just quite simple. I love that. So if you are really interested in me like sharing updates on what I'm going to design, I'm going to be sharing it maybe like 2 weeks interval or maybe 1 week. I'm not really sure. But when I'm done with a stage, I'll update you guys. So I will update you with the full design before going to development. I will probably use Flutter because I am currently learning Flutter and I've learned one or two things, that and stuff like that. So for me to learn much more better, this is the best thing to actually use to learn. So thank you guys for today, and I'm 100% sure that you love this. So if you love this, you can like and you can share to your friends. So thank you guys. I love you. Peace out.